So here we're given this graph that has the frequency distribution of 50 integer values that range from 1 through 6. We have to compare quantity A, which is the average. I'll come back to this a little bit later. First, compute quantity B, which is median, easier to compute that. And there are 50 data points, so if I arrange them in increasing order, I'm looking for the middle 2, because we have an even number. So there's a total of 50. If I take out the middle 2, there's 48 left. I put 24 on both sides. I'm really looking for the 25th and 26th data point counting from either side. I'm going to count from here. The first 11 data points are 6, and then the next 16 are 5. So that's a total of 27. So the 25th and 26th data points are both 5, and their average is 5. So the median is 5. And here we don't have to compute the average to get a sense of how it compares to the median. You can think of these 16 numbers that are all equal to 5. And then if you notice on the right of 5, we have 11 data points that are valued at 6. But on this side, we have 17, 21, 23 data points that are 4 or less. So we know that the average is going to be pushed towards less than 5. And that's the key idea, is that this average is going to be less than 5. Because we have more data points that are greater than 1 unit from 5. Because we have 10 that are 4. We have 11 here, but then we have these additional data points that are less than 4. So that's going to bring it down to 5. You can, of course, compute it as well. I'll do it quickly in case you're not able to argue in this fashion. So there's a weighted average, number of data points times the value. I add all of those. 4 times 2. Actually, I'm just going to directly add them. So 2 here. Here it's going to be 8. Number of data points times its value. 7 times 3 is 21. 10 times 4 is 40. And then 16 times 5 is 80. 11 times 6 is 66. 120. That's 10. That's 130. And then 66 plus 21 is 87. So is that right? 120, 130. Yeah, 87. So that's 217, and we have 50 data points. So 217 divided by, by 5, 21.7. 5 times 4 is 20. So it's 4.3, 5.3. 5 times 3 is 15. So it's 4.3. And that's less than 5. So the answer is quantity B is greater, choice B.